Hello everyone, this is my update video for today, and this time we'll be talking about the progress of the UI for Atomic Drifter, inspired by the Fallout series. So yeah, this is the only thing we'll be talking about for now, aside from the standard me uploading some of our old update videos. And yeah, so right now, so far, this is what I've worked on. I'm still learning how Rive works, but basically it's similar to Canva or Figma, if you know that, and in there you can create graphics. And so this is what I've learned so far. So I started off with the ship's hull, health, and the shield, and I know it's meant to be segmented, but right now I'm still figuring out how I'm gonna make it segmented, as in bars like this, like in our game. So, but for now I just put a placeholder here as a bar, and as you can see, I've kept the green, the holographic looking the bright green, just like in Fallout, as you can see here. But of course we can change this, but right now I'm gonna keep it this way because I can't think of anything better. Since we're making it similar to our own UI, I put in the elements, the shield and the health, as well as a box surrounding them. For that I did this, where the box would be translucent and then the edges would be feathered, but there'll be a thin green border around here. Though I'm not sure how I'm able to make the sides fade out like this. I guess right now it's gonna look like this, which is pretty similar. I also added in the ship's name here with its own background. So I think it looks pretty good and similar, though there's some polishing that needs to be done. And then I went on ahead and added in the other elements below it, the resources and the evade. But as you can notice, the icons here, they're color white, since I couldn't make it like Unreal Engine, where you can just change the tint after importing the texture. Right here it's just a white image, so I'm still trying to figure out how to make it green, maybe through clipping or masking, but I'll figure that out soon, or for my next steps. Then I did the same for the character UI, though. I can I should change the names here. For the image, still not sure what we could add here. Maybe the silhouette, or maybe a custom image icon just for each character. But right now I just added the placeholders here. I'm still going to think about that. And you have their health here. And then I also started off with the perk as well, though. Yeah, I do need to figure out the imaging. I tried making the segments, but yeah, many ways through grouping them, but then I have to figure out the spacing. And then here, creating rows like in the table. I'm not finished with this, but this might work. But the sizing of the boxes, of the per boxes, is my main concern. And another thing is the font. Apparently the font that they use in Fallout 3 is called Monofont, I believe. Monofonto, and it's free for commercial free commercial use, but I wanted to try something else. So I went with something similar, which is Roboto. But again, of course, we can change it. It looks pretty similar to how Monofonto did it. It's a bit more modern too. So yeah, I covered the color schemes as well. I think this is the right direction. We just need to make it look a bit better because of course Fallout 3's UI is old. I'm going to figure out different designs that implement this holographic look to the UI. And I also added in a background image here just so there can be like some sort of background contrast to show the translucency. And yeah, so far this is what I've done. My next steps, of course, is I'll continue working on the UI, create a wireframe or the complete mock-up. And then my question is for the potential inspiration here. What exactly does this mean? Should I get many other games, like how we mentioned the BioShock here for the look of this? So should it just be BioShock or should I look for other games? You know, what should I put in screenshots? Because when you do look at BioShock, it looks pretty similar to the old graphic style. Well, this is not too old actually. And then the mechanical look of it, like in Fallout. But yeah, that's my next steps. I'll continue working on the UI. And yeah, that should be it for me. Thank you.